The hagfish, an ancient marine creature, has thrived for 300 million years despite its primitive features. Lacking jaws, scales, and even eyes, it relies on a unique defense mechanism: slime. When threatened, it secretes a substance that expands 10,000 times in volume in just 0.4 seconds, effectively clogging predators' mouths and gills. This slime, composed of intricate protein fibers, reacts rapidly with water, confounding attackers. Notably, hagfish are active at night, scavenging carrion or seizing immobile prey like fish caught in nets. Their ability to deter even sharks showcases their survival prowess in oceans worldwide.